This one is from Kyle Lindsay. Where did Speck get his TNT from? Your dynamite. Where did you get your dynamite from?
Wouldn't you like to know?
You got rid of that.
He does. He
didn't you?
literally
That's
just.
why I asked you the question,
Oh.
Speck.
Yes, Francis, I did get rid of it. I did get rid of it.
So where exactly do you get your dynamite from?
There's this human store. It's called Fiberworks. Get it from there.
Fireworks.
Fiberworks?
Yeah,
See, he said he
Fiberworks.
couldn't read, so
Oh.
this is evidence.
Because if you went to Fiberworks, that would make sense why Wally's car looks so awful.
Oh, I get it!
It's a poop joke, folks.
Not a she.
Well, if you have to explain it. Is that where you get... So, wait, what's the name of the place?
It's called Fiberworks.
Fiberworks.
I go
okay.
in and I take whatever I want.
So you don't pay for these things.
Oh no, I don't get any money.
Okay.
Yeah, we already established we don't make money.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
you
true.
can pay
That's
my
true. Anyway, next
Wait, money?
question. Next
Money?
question. We have Kyle Lindsay asks, "How is Foul Owl doing?" Terrible. Have you listened to his sing?
No.
Oh no, he's doing fine, but
Yeah.
like
He's fine in his own mind.
yeah, he thinks he's great. We not so much.
He was busy looking in the mirror. He didn't want to join us.
He probably thought it was another owl and fought with it for an hour. Kyle Lindsay says Speck is so cute and adorable.
I know.
Don't believe it for a minute.
Yeah, it's very deceiving.
I know.
Let's see, we've got... Oh, and then we have a question from Kyle Lindsay.
Yeah.
Which birds could do a Disney character's impressions?
Oh.
Legally?
Disney character impressions. I got one. Ready? Okay, here we go.
What?
Magic carpet.
Oh,
Huh?
funny.
Magic carpet. I was the magic carpet.
That's
That's pretty good, right?
good.
Yeah?
Good.
I thought it was pretty good.
I got mine.
Go. Oh, I know this one.
Wait.
one.
Are you the chicken in Pirates of the Caribbean?
What, the chicken?
Yeah, the chicken.
I give up.
I'm the Cave of Wonders, dude.
Oh, of course. I could
should've
totally.
known
Yeah,
that.
I should have known.
All
I mean,
right,
the
Speck,
face.
now Juliana go.
They got rid of him.
Oh,
It was so sad.
he caught on fire.
He did.
Oh, goodness.
Radiago impression.
Thank you.
Do you have a Disney impression
Oh,
for Kyle Lindsay?
I can do Snow White.
Oh, okay. Well, I
Wow, I just
I was gonna say I wanted to fly right to her. I wanted to fly right to Franny when she did that.
Whoa. Stop that.
And now we got a broom. I gotta come clean some things.
Right. Let's see.